Good morning, students. Welcome to WhatsApp classes of Sri Vinayak Convent High Secondary School, Daloda. Today, we are going to teach about writing skills, paragraph. Students, so let's start. Do you want to improve your writing skills? Are you having problems when you are given a writing task in exam? Don't worry, okay, students? Welcome to free writing lessons. In this video, we will understand the most basic writing task asked in any exam, which is paragraph writing. Firstly, we will understand what exactly is a paragraph. Then I will provide your template which can be used to structure in a paragraph in a proper way. Finally, I will walk you through an example where we will use this template and writing a paragraph. So, without a further board, let's get started. So, what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences, and this group of sentences involves around one central idea. That means this group of sentences which must be logically connected each other. It must have unity. Secondly, sentences must be proper order, not any random order, and there must be variety in these sentences. That be, it is should not sound monotonous. So again, I repeat it, a paragraph is a logical group of sentences focused on one central idea, and these sentences must have unity, order, and variety in them. Now, a paragraph can be of any length, but it is generally of 8 to 10 sentences when asked in any exam. We have now got an idea what exactly is a paragraph. Let's now discuss the sentences of chart of paragraph. We will be linked to satisfy this condition. There are 5 steps involved in it. First one is define the topic of paragraph. Second one is explain the problem we are currently facing. Third one is to provide the solution to resolve the problem. Fourth one is to check the benefits of the solution. And the fifth one is to conclude the paragraph in a positive way. Please remember these 5 ways while writing in any paragraph. Now, with the help of this example, we will apply this template. Suppose we are asked to write a paragraph on yoga. Then how we can apply the template that we just learned? Let's look into that. The paragraph is on yoga. What is the first step? The first step is to define what exactly is yoga. Here you have to specify what yoga is all about. You can write in this way. Yoga is an ancient practice which is helpful for physical and mental of mankind. Let's look into the second step, which is problem. Explain the problem currently facing. Its main include stress, anxiety, and unhappiness. So we can define the problem in this way. In this modern age, the paragraph of happiness has gone considerably down and stress level are all time high. Due to this, health related issues have become very common. Now we have addressed the problem. Let's look into the third step, which is solution. Provide the solution of above problems. You can write the solution in this manner. Yoga can be very beneficial under these circumstances. The reason being it involves both physical and mental exercise. Now, we have status the solution. Let's look into the fourth step, which is beneficial of it. Here we have to state the potential benefits of yoga. Yoga can reduce this anxiety, sadness, so we can write the benefits in this way. Regular practice of yoga can reduce stress, anxiety, depression, and other mind related issues. It helps shapes your body properly, thereby decreasing any health related issue. Now, and the last fifth and final steps, which is conclusion. We must try to conclude with a positive note. Here, all the points that we discussed prior must be combined in a common point needs to be addressed. We can write the conclusion like this. Finally, I will repeat the whole paragraph of yoga. Yoga is an ancient practice which is helpful for physical and mental well-being of mankind. In this modern age, the paragraph of happiness has gone considerably down and stress levels are all-time high. Due to these health-related issues have become very common. Yoga can be very beneficial under these circumstances. The reason being it involves both physical and mental exercises. Regular practice of yoga can reduce stress, anxiety, depression, and other mind related issues. It helps shapes your body properly, thereby decreasing any health related issue. Realizing the truth power of that yoga has to care our physical and mental ailment. We must start practicing it on a regular basis to improve overall quality of our life. Okay, students, write this yoga paragraph in a grammar copy and learn it and practice any other topic in a paragraph writing. Thank you for watching, students.